Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Got a quick DIY video for you guys today. And to make what you see here before you, you need a cow's pelvis. And I used an old welding hood band and a couple carriage bolts. See down in there, a couple carriage bolts and some locking hardware. And all I did was I put the band on my head, and then I set the pelvis on my head and seen about how far down that I wanted it, and took it off and drilled my holes on each side, and I put my carriage bolts so the rounded side is towards the inside, and locked it down. It doesn't move, it doesn't articulate or anything, it just sits on the top. And yep, I'm aware that this is the ass of a cow. 100% is an ass hat. But it was fun. I made it when I was in high school, and the idea was I was going to make this and then find like a black robe and make me some poles that had hands on the end of it and have really long sleeves on my robe, and like have this helmet and then like drag my arms behind me. For whatever reason, that look just I thought was funny, and I never got around to doing it, but I did make this, make my helmet here. But there were some people that had asked about how this was constructed, so for those people this will be handy, I hope. But these, if you live in a place where there's any type of cattle farm, you should be able to ask those guys, and they're going to have a place they take cows. If your farming stuff dies, I mean, it's just, it does. And you can probably find some that have been there forever. And like this one has no smell to it. There's no telling how long it had been in the woods before I had got it. It's been chewed on at some point by something. But you could get them, and if it made you nervous, you could spray some bleach on them or something. But it has a really good shape to it for a fun helmet. There's somebody commented on something one time about something from Skyrim. There's a, got your nose. There's a people from Skyrim that wears a hat like this. But anyway, just wanted to share my ass hat for you guys. Later.